Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today we're hopefully going to harvest my garlic. Now the tops have all turned yellow and brown and have fallen over, so I think it's time. So let's check it out. Also, ignore my sniffles. My allergies are killing me today. So let's get this done so we can go inside. First garlic. So I started out with this little garden trowel trying to dig around all of these garlic bulbs. That was a terrible plan because, as you'll see at the end of this video, I got a blister on the palm of my hand. It's just a really cheap garden trowel and it kept bending, and these garlic were a lot deeper than I thought they were going to be, so I had to really kind of get in and dig around to get the bulbs out. I ended up piercing a couple with the spade, so I was a little upset. So I'll just have to use those, sooner rather than later. And I worked on the hardneck side first, and then I got distracted by all of the weeds that I had let just kind of take over this space. I had not weeded it ever. Like, I planted these back exactly on Halloween last year and haven't touched this bed. So here's all the weeds that kind of overtook this area. None of the garlic that I planted in the middle came up, so the weeds really just had kind of prime locations to spread out and grow. So once I got all of the weeding done, it became a lot easier just to kind of see where the garlic was. I got smart and I got my pitchfork because that little trowel was not doing it. So like I said, this was a much better idea. I couldn't find my little, palm-sized little trowel or fork, so I was like, I'll just use a spade or whatever, and that was a bad idea. So this pitchfork made it so much easier. It kind of helped break up the dirt. I could kind of lift a chunk at a time and just kind of wiggle the bulbs loose. I did spear one on the pitchfork, but it was definitely safer than the trowel I was using. So I just kept kind of going through, finding the brown stalks and just kind of placing my pitchfork a couple inches behind it and then just going really deep and lifting. That way I wouldn't risk piercing them. Well, there you have it. Our garlic harvest. I'm so hot and sweaty. I have a blister starting on my palm now, but worth it. Okay, we have laid all of our garlic out on just my patio table. This is my soft neck garlic and this is my hard neck garlic. And I'm just going to leave these here for at least a day or so just to let them kind of cure and dry. And then we're going to try and braid them to store them. Try is the key word. So stay tuned for that video. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you guys again very soon. Thanks, guys. Bye.